Here we are, Pablo from Skydive Dubai, Special Projects Department. Here we are with Mr. Omar from Bfic Gold. Yeah, he's the CEO and founder of Bfic Gold. And we have done a collaboration today to do an amazing stunt in the air. We jumped with a big flag, 3x9 meter. We had smoke, we had wingsuiters flying around. We went all the way to 15,000 feet, which it takes quite a while with our aircraft to go to the top, 15 minutes. And then we had a good 1 minute free fall, falling at 200 kilometers per hour.
Yeah.
How was it? Did you like it?
Yeah, this is just a new experience for us, and we are very exciting to announce our community. We are going to aggressively launch this event. So be ready, guys. Get ready. On 2nd, we are going to launch Bfic Gold Network project. So this is the time to change your life and whole crypto world.
And make money.
Yeah, make money.
And make money, man.
Make money, man. And best of luck, guys. We are welcoming to our guests who are coming to join us in a pre-launch event, which is Burj Khalifa Armani. So welcome from our side. Thank you very much. Innovation Factory Zindabad.
Bfic Gold Power. Gotta worship 'cause Bfic Gold Power. Gotta worship 'cause it's godly breeze. Yeah. Innovation Factory. Boy, don't stress me when I'm good. Bfic Gold Power. Yes, I'm on the move. Bfic Gold Power. And that's what I do. Watch me flex while on the move. Guess I'm a bear. Bfic Gold Power. And that's what I do. Watch me flex while on the move. Guess I'm a bear. Watch me flex while on the move. Bfic Gold. Watch me flex while on the move. Bfic Gold Power. And that's what I do. Don't get traced by these fools. Bfic Gold Power. They walked out a lot of my problems. Got the heavens with me on a solid. Make some money and eat with the family. Many lives and all of them matter. Same kind, no need to be racial. Hard times, be steady, you great. Don't let the bad outshine the good things. Stand tall like a monument. Can't fall like Mount Everest. Whoopee. Got the bag like Chichi. Krypton like Fifi. And they know that we rolling with family. Trip to black in minutes. Drinks in the lab with freaky beats. Very loud in the kitchen. Celebrating the present we're living. Let's explore the world. I wanna swipe out with my debit card. And it's crypto cash. Time to travel, I'ma see the world. Cause I love everything in this below. If I get a jackpot reward, you can get that Bfic Gold on exchange on Joker. Innovation Factory. Boy, don't stress me when I'm good. Bfic Gold Power. Yes, I'm on the move. Bfic Gold Power. And that's what I do. Watch me flex while on the move. Yes, I'm a bear. Going bullish. Watch me flex while on the move. Bfic Gold. Watch me flex while on the move. Bfic Gold Power. And that's what I do. Don't get traced by these fools. Bfic Gold Power. Innovation Factory.
Bfic Gold!